Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Tiller Money. Review my usage experience. Tiller Money is a personal finance service that helps you track your spending, create budgets, and gain insights into your finances. It's primarily targeted towards individuals and families who want a more hands-on approach to budgeting and prefer using spreadsheets. Key features include automatic transaction imports from your bank accounts, customizable spreadsheet templates, and various reporting tools. Their website provides details on their different subscription plans and features. Tiller Money emphasizes its flexibility and customization options compared to other budgeting apps. They highlight the direct integration with Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel, giving users complete control over their financial data. There are no hidden fees, and you can cancel your subscription anytime. Their approach involves connecting directly to your bank accounts via a secure third-party aggregator. You can check availability and pricing on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Tiller Money. Getting started was fairly straightforward. I connected my bank accounts and credit cards without any major hiccups. The initial data import took a few minutes, but once that was complete, I was able to start customizing my spreadsheet. Navigating the interface is pretty intuitive, especially if you're familiar with spreadsheets. I appreciated the pre-built templates, which gave me a good starting point, but the real power comes from the customization options. I was able to create custom categories for my spending and generate reports that were tailored to my specific needs. The automatic daily updates ensured my spreadsheets were always up to date, which I found incredibly convenient. Performance-wise, the service was reliable, and I never experienced any significant delays or errors. I did have a quick question about setting up a specific report, and their support team responded within a day via email with a helpful solution. I was really impressed by how seamlessly Tiller Money integrated with my existing workflow. The standout feature for me was definitely the flexibility to manipulate and analyze my data directly in a spreadsheet. One minor drawback was the learning curve associated with the more advanced features. It took me a little while to get used to the various formulas and functions available. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Tiller Money. While it might not be for everyone, particularly those who prefer a more visually-driven budgeting app, its power and flexibility make it a great option for spreadsheet enthusiasts who want more control over their finances. That's my overview of Tiller Money. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.